This is the Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer, and Nautilus claims it can basically replace your gym cardio routine at home. But after digging into expert reviews and real-world feedback, there's something they don't exactly highlight in the marketing, and it might matter more than you think. So, is this the perfect home elliptical, or just another overpriced piece of equipment collecting dust? Let's break it down. Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer is a mid to high-end home elliptical from Nautilus, designed for people who want a gym-like cardio experience without leaving the house. It originally launched as part of Nautilus's premium E-Series lineup, aimed squarely at busy professionals and fitness enthusiasts who care about durability and advanced tracking. Its big selling point? A combination of heavy-duty build quality, multiple resistance levels, and connectivity features that sync with fitness apps. On paper, it promises smooth motion, low-impact workouts, and long-term reliability. Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Here's the thing, the E618 is built like a tank, and you feel that immediately. The stride is incredibly smooth, thanks to its high inertia flywheel, which means no jerky motion, even during intense sessions. Whether you're doing a light warm-up or pushing through a 30-minute HIIT cardio workout, it stays consistent and stable. I looked into expert feedback from fitness equipment reviewers, and a common theme is quiet operation. That's a big deal if you're working out early in the morning or in an apartment. You're not waking up the entire household. Now, resistance. With 20 levels, it ramps up nicely. Beginners can ease in, while more advanced users can actually break a sweat without feeling like they've outgrown the machine in a week. But it's not all perfect. Some users report that the built-in programs feel a bit outdated compared to modern smart fitness platforms. So while the hardware performance is excellent, the software side doesn't quite keep up with today's app-driven fitness world. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that stand out. First up is Bluetooth connectivity. This lets you sync with apps like Nautilus Trainer or other fitness trackers. Why does that matter? Because tracking your progress, calories, distance, heart rate, makes it way easier to stay motivated over time. Next, the dual-track LCD display. It's not flashy like a tablet, but it shows multiple stats at once. That means you're not constantly switching screens mid-workout, which actually keeps your flow going. Then there's the adjustable stride and incline features. This basically lets you target different muscle groups, glutes, quads, calves, so you're not stuck doing the same repetitive motion every day. And finally, heart rate monitoring via contact grips and chest strap compatibility. It's not just data for the sake of data, it helps you stay in the right training zone, whether you're burning fat or building endurance. Design and build. Aesthetically, Nautilus kept things pretty clean and functional. The Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer uses a solid steel frame. And yeah, you can tell. It's sturdy, doesn't wobble, and feels like something that'll last for years. The pedals are oversized and cushioned, which makes longer workouts way more comfortable. And the handlebars? Ergonomically placed, so you're not reaching awkwardly mid-session. The downside? It's big. This is not a tuck-it-in-the-corner kind of machine. You'll need a dedicated space in your home. Pros. Super smooth and quiet performance, even at high resistance. Wide range of resistance levels for all fitness levels. Bluetooth connectivity for tracking and motivation. Cons. Console and programs feel a bit outdated. Not as smart as newer connected fitness machines. Final verdict. So who is this for? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who wants a reliable, no-nonsense elliptical that feels like gym equipment at home, the Nautilus E618 Elliptical Trainer is a really solid choice. It's especially great for people focused on consistency, daily cardio, weight loss, or general fitness, without needing flashy tech. But if you're the kind of person who wants immersive workouts, touchscreen classes, and that Peloton-style ecosystem, you might
find this a little behind the times. At the end of the day, the E618 nails the fundamentals: smooth motion, durability, and comfort. And honestly, that matters more than gimmicks for most people.